Hello and welcome back to my channel. So, for the past few days, I have seen many comments related to manifestation. Many people are confused about how manifestation works, and they are like it is hard to manifestation. Is not hard, you make it hard. Anyone who thinks that manifestation is hard is because they are thinking that manifestation is hard. And I have also seen many comments where people are commenting that they're not getting their manifestation, and just thought about manifestation is tiring them up, because they work day and night with manifestation, and still they are not getting what they are manifesting. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how easy it is to manifest. I'm going to tell you what are the mechanisms behind the manifestation. So buckle up your seat and let's get started with today's video. Introducing Spiritual Sounds, the ultimate Spotify meditation playlist designed to elevate your meditation and manifestation practice to new heights. Elevate your meditation practice with spiritual sounds. To find your inner peace and manifest your dreams, click the link in the description below to get access to spiritual sounds. Manifestation. What is the first thing that comes to your head when I say manifestation? For most of you, it might be just thinking about the desire or thinking about something, and it just appears in your life magically. But magic is not something that happens behind the scenes. What happens is that you are thinking about something, and you are convincing your subconscious that the manifestation, or the desired manifestation, is going to come to your life. You are telling your subconscious that that thing, that specific thing is yours. You are telling a subconscious about your desires. And maybe you have already heard this many times, but your subconscious is not aware of what is real and what is fake. Whatever you are saying to your subconscious takes it as true. Your subconscious is very innocent. If you tell your subconscious that manifestation is hard, if you tell your subconscious that you cannot attract things into your life, your subconscious will take it as true, and your subconscious will say, okay, now here is it. You just said that you cannot manifest, then you cannot manifest. It gives you the literal result of what you are saying. If you tell your subconscious that you are able to manifest, if you tell your subconscious that you are going to reach the top, if you tell your subconscious positive things, your subconscious will take it, and then it will be like, okay, here you go, you told me this, and I will give you this. That is how subconscious works, and that is manifestation. That is the easiest way of explaining how manifestation works. It is just telling your subconscious certain things, and it's your subconscious just working towards that. Your subconscious never fails. I am going to repeat this again. And your subconscious never fails to give you the result that you have called towards yourself. Now, for those of you who think that manifestation is hard, tell me something. Before you knew about manifestation, do you agree that you have been manifesting? If you don't agree, then let me tell you that from the day that you have had a foot in this world, with an understanding of this world, you have been manifesting everything. Even before you knew about manifestations, you were manifesting through affirmations, through your thoughts and everything. To explain this a little more, tell me what manifestation is. It is literally the thing that we tell our subconscious. That's what I said before. So when you tell something to your subconscious, it makes it happen in real life. So before you knew how to manifest, you were telling your subconscious certain things, and that is what led to the reality that you had in the past and in the present too. Whatever you are experiencing right now, whatever you did experience in the past, was manifested by you. And there is no other explanation to it. There is no other way to go without thinking that you had been manifesting all your life. Those are the thoughts that you process, whatever things that you say it out to the universe, whatever things that you have been talking with your friends about yourself, everything is affirmations. Actually, I have also heard that many people say that if you affirm at night, your subconscious is more vulnerable, and you can affirm and get the desired outcome within no time. That is not true. Well, it might be true that your subconscious is more accessible at night, but if you just manifest during the day too, It doesn't matter because your subconscious is listening at all times. Either you call it your subconscious or your higher self or the universe or God. Whatever you prefer to call it, they are listening all the time. Whatever you say is being heard of. You are never neglected by your own self. Now, maybe you have had experiences like when you are going to talk to somebody and they are talking about something else and they just overlap what you are saying. They are just ignoring what you are saying, maybe purposely or not so purposely. But when you are saying something, you never neglect that word that are coming out of your mouth. You never neglect any thought that comes out of your mouth. Your subconscious does not let that happen. And your subconscious is the first thing that processes the thought. So, whatever you are consciously letting out in this universe is obviously being heard by your subconscious, and your subconscious works towards it. Affirming at night or day doesn't matter. I know that Neville Goddard said that if you affirm at night, you get more effective results. But if you just believe in that affirmation, if you just believe in the process and manifestation, you don't look for day or night. You just go on with the universe. You just believe that is coming for you. You know, the other thing about manifestation is that the difficult thing in manifestation is what we create. If you are finding manifestation difficult, it is because you are doing it a hard way, and the hard way being that you are thinking that manifestation is hard. Everything begins with thoughts. Even the thought about manifestation begins with thought. So if you keep on thinking that manifestation is hard, I cannot do manifestation properly. Manifestation is not something that is accessible by me. That is not true. It is your manifestation, and whatever you manifest is going to come to you. Now, many of you might be asking, oh, I manifested this. I tried to manifest this thing in my life, but it did not manifest into my life. I got completely different result, and why is that so? Well, it is because you were distracted from your direction. You were distracted from the road that you were taking. And that is because of the negative thoughts. That might be because of the physical reality, the circumstances that comes in the physical reality. You might be distracted because of those circumstances. I know many of you have tried manifesting, and when certain circumstances come your way, you stop manifesting. You stop manifesting, and after some time you are like, okay, that's it for now. I will do it again later. And you keep certain time gap of a week or even a month between your manifestation. And manifestation is something that should be done continuously. The manifestation is something that should be done without any disturbance. Even if you tell yourself that you are not going to manifest, you are manifesting because you are processing thoughts every day. You are processing millions of thoughts in a week. And even if the thought was of some seconds or some minutes, you are manifesting it. No matter what the thought was, negative or positive, you are manifesting it. Therefore, manifestation is not that hard. All you have to do is think about your desire and believe that it is in your pocket. You have to believe that it is going to come to you. You have to believe that it is in your destiny to get to that desired outcome. If you just do this, manifestation is so simple, and you don't need a special course for manifestation. Because as I said earlier, you have been manifesting since the day you step your foot on this world. Everybody has been doing that. So you don't need to understand how to manifest. You just need to believe in yourself and start imagining the same way you have been doing all your life. And that is it. That is manifestation. By saying this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have come this far, I thank you for listening to me. If you liked this video, press that like button down below and share it with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me if you even subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thank you.